Hi friends, I am Simply Tamanisha, and today I'm going to try to make a plastic top for my dining room table. I just got this table, but I'm starting to notice that it's got little scratches in it. Oh, can you see that? Even though I have table mats, so I have been looking for tabletops, and y'all know covers and protectors, I'm all about saving my money. And then I thought about some plastic that I had, and I went and bought some more of it. My table is 48-inch circumference, around 48 inches, so I went and bought some more, about 4 feet. And I told them to make sure that they keep the paper underneath. So I'm going to try to smooth out the wrinkles on here, trace the table, and use my rotary scissor to cut it out. I'll probably trace it and then place it on my cutting board, and then just try to cut it out. And I have some tape that I bought from Amazon that I'm going to share with you. This stuff is not by Gorilla Glue, but it's got a real fine hold to it, and it's transparent, so and reusable. It's pretty neat. So I'm not going to videotape all the steps. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. So I turned it over so that it will be easier for me to press out air bubbles through the paper than trying to smooth it out with through the plastic side. So I paid $1.39 a yard, and I bought $1.39 a foot, and I bought 4 feet. Since this is a tear, let me see if I can tear in the paper. So let's see if I can. I'm going to cut it, I'm going to trace it probably a little bit bigger. Okay, so it's pretty smooth, and after looking at it, I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and try to cut around the circular portion of the table. I think that I can probably cut it and then fine tune it with the rotary cutter once it's cut to shape, because you know, I've got enough room to be able to do that. So let's see. I'm just kind of cutting as close to the edge, and I'm pulling the plastic down as I move around so that my cut is taut to the table. This is going pretty well, guys. I think that hard surface of the glass really just helps the scissors to move quite smoothly. Very interesting. These were like $30, $50, $100 online. And I'm like, I'm trying to save money, not donate it. Save my money, not donate it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over. As you can see, that's a good fit. Oh, nice. Now when I get ready to apply it, I'm gonna clean the table and let it completely air dry. And once it's done air drying, I'm going to use probably about 6 of these cut to 1 or 2 inches. See how transparent this tape is? It's actually what's holding the heavy glass to the base of the table, because the little rubber things that they sent weren't really holding. I got this on Amazon for $11, and it comes 2 in a pack. Okay, so my table is clean and dry. And I'm just going to take a little bit of rubbing alcohol and go around the edge of the table, because that's where I'm going to be putting the tape. And I want to make sure that the tape sticks. So I'm going to let it dry. And I use a regular paper towel because it's fiberless and I don't have to worry about it leaving fuzz on the table. And we're just gonna let it dry. Okay, so the alcohol is dry. It doesn't take long for it to air dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and peel the backing off. I have not put the tape on just yet because I don't want it to, that tape is really super duper strong, like super duper strong. So I just want to take it off. You almost can't see it. So I can check the cut and the fit.